Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and today we've got another question from one of our viewers that we would like to try to answer. And this particular one comes from Vietnam Vet 6474, and he says, is it necessary to reseason a new Lodge pre-season skillet? And this is a question that many people have from time to time, whether they need to season or season a new Lodge cast iron skillet. And I've actually made a video about that. And Lodge actually tells us that, you know, on their website it says cast iron is seasoned and ready to use. Every piece of Lodge cast iron cookware comes seasoned and ready to use right out of the box. The easiest way to maintain this layer of seasoning is to use your cast iron pan. Whenever you cook an egg, grill a steak, or bake a pie, you're adding layers of baked on fat and oil that enhance your seasoning for a natural, easy release finish that goes better over time. So, you know, to answer that question, it's the manufacturer says it best. You know, they're the ones that created the cast iron skillet. Specifically if it's a Lodge. But any cast iron, I mean, you know, it's any new cast iron comes pre-seasoned from the factory. I mean, I think you can still get some from time to time that is not pre-seasoned. It's just straight gray iron, and you can add to it. But, you know, we get this question, is it necessary? Now, I mean, I'm going to go ahead and go a little further of what Lodge says. Lodge says you don't necessarily have to. Just wash and clean it up and start cooking in it. And I made a video, like I said earlier, that you know, that emphasized that fact as well. But you know, you may want to, if that's something that you feel you need to do, you can take and strip the seasoning off, because Lodge just puts a coat of vegetable oil on theirs, one coat, and then it goes through a furnace and bakes it on at 500 degrees, and then, you know, they package it and get ready to ship it out or put it on the shelves there in their factory store or whatever they may do. So, you know, it doesn't have a lot on there. It's just a base seasoning, basically to protect it from you know, rust or anything like that. But, you know, you certainly can. Vietnam Vet, you know, it's really up to you. I know a lot of people suggest that, and a lot of people do that. They'll take and strip any seasoning off of a brand new piece of cast iron and restart with their own. That way they know exactly what they have on it, and then they can continue to build from there. So anyway, we certainly appreciate your question. It's a great question, and you know, a lot of people ask this from time to time. We certainly appreciate all questions that we get, and you guys leave me a comment, you know, on what you do. Do you strip seasoning off of a new cast iron before you use it, or you just wash it and start using it right away? So anyway, y'all have a great day. Now, it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you later. Bye bye.